Understanding Skirmish, a peek into English language nuances. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore a fascinating word, skirmish. Often heard in historical contexts or news reports, understanding this term can enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's dive into what skirmish means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The word skirmish primarily refers to a small, short, and usually unplanned fight between small groups, especially in a war context. It's less intense than a full-scale battle. However, it's not just limited to physical confrontations. It can also describe any brief conflict or disagreement in various situations, like in business or personal interactions. Understanding a word's history can often help us appreciate its current usage. Skirmish comes from the Old French word escarmouche, which means to fence or to joust. This links back to the idea of small, quick encounters rather than prolonged battles. Over time, the word evolved in English to its current form and meaning. To help you better understand how to use skirmish, here are some example sentences. 1. Historical context. The soldiers engaged in a brief skirmish before retreating. 2. Business dispute. The board meeting witnessed a minor skirmish over the new marketing strategy. 3. Personal argument. They had a skirmish about where to spend their vacation, but it was quickly resolved. Synonyms can often give us a better understanding of a word. Clash, encounter, tussle, scuffle. Conversely, antonyms offer insight into the opposite meaning. Harmony, agreement, peace. Skirmish can also be used metaphorically to describe non-physical conflicts or debates. For example, the political debate was marked by a series of verbal skirmishes between the candidates. This metaphorical use broadens the word's application in everyday language. Understanding words like skirmish not only enhances your vocabulary but also provides insight into English's rich and diverse nature. Whether it's a historical context or a metaphor for a minor disagreement, skirmish is a versatile term that adds depth to your language skills. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to exploring more interesting words with you. Happy learning!